with the DSO Danny O. Valdos, the coaches, the athletes, Governor Santiago Cayo Jr., Congressman Edward Casa, Congressman Alfred Mascud, Randy B. Anilo, and Mayor Honorable Grace Paredes Bravo. Also with them is Honorable William Calvez. With the Assistant School Division Superintendent, Corazon B. Roa, with the DSO Gilbert E. de la Plaza, with the coaches, the athletes, and the officials, we have Mayor Honorable Kirk A. Assis, Vice Mayor Bobo Assis, Executive Chief Wilson C. Calvo, and Executive Chief Ines R. Vicariato.
Let's welcome Bislig City